Hello students, today I am going to start your new chapter number 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities. Students, in this week we will do algebraic expressions and next week we will do algebraic identities. So in algebraic expressions we will do kinds of algebraic expression, like and unlike terms, okay, and multiplication of polynomials, degree of an algebraic expression, and in next week we will do algebraic identities. So firstly, what is algebraic expression? Since you learned this definition in your previous class, that what is an algebraic expression: variables and constants connected with the operations plus, minus, multiply and divide form algebraic expression. This is definition of algebraic expression. It means when variables and constants are connected with the operations, then this form a algebraic expression. Variables, the letters used to represent numbers or some other quantities in general are called variable numbers. Variable can take any value. They are also called literals. It means the letters used to represent numbers or some other quantities. Constants, a symbol which has a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Means constant has a fixed numerical value, but variables are not have fixed numerical value. Now, terms of an algebraic expression. The terms of an algebraic expressions are the parts of the expression that are connected by plus or minus sign. Okay students, coefficient. Any factor of a term is called the coefficient of the product of the remaining factors. There are two types of coefficient: numerical coefficient and variable coefficient. In terms 3x y square z. For example, this is a term 3x y square z. So in 3x y square z, the numerical coefficient is 3 and the variable and the coefficient of x is equals to 3 y square z. Okay students, what coefficient? Coefficient are of two types: numerical coefficient and variable coefficient. So in term 3x y square z, numerical coefficient is 3, and if you want to find coefficient of x, then except x in this term, what will be remaining? That is called a coefficient of x, that is 3 y square z. So this is coefficient of x. Any factor of a term is called the coefficient of the product of the remaining factors. Means except x, their remaining factors are 3 y square z. So coefficient of x is 3 y square z. Now kinds of algebraic expressions. First type of algebraic expressions is monomial. An algebraic expression consisting of only one term is called a monomial. For example, 2xy minus 7. These are examples of monomial because there are only one term in both of these algebraic expressions. Friends, terms of algebraic expressions are connected with positive and negative sign, and remember, negative sign is also included in term. Now binomial. An algebraic expression that contains two terms is called a binomial. For example, x square plus 2xy. There are two terms and these two terms are connected with plus sign. So this is a binomial. An algebraic expression that contains two terms. Terms of this algebraic expression are: first term is x square and second term is 2xy. Okay students. Now if you want to understand coefficient in this term 2xy, then numerical coefficient of this term is 2 and coefficient of x 2y, coefficient of y 2x, coefficient of 2 xy. Okay students, trinomial. An algebraic expression that contains three terms is called a trinomial. For example, a square plus 4ab minus ab square. there are three terms, a square, 4ab and minus ab square. Students, remember negative sign is also included in term. So this is a trinomial. Polynomial. An algebraic expression that contains two or more terms is called a polynomial. It means binomial and trinomials are also called polynomial. Monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial, an algebraic expression that contains only one term. Binomial, an algebraic expression that contains two terms. An algebraic expression that contains three terms is called trinomial. Okay students, and polynomial, an algebraic expression that contains two or more terms is called a polynomial. Now degree of an algebraic expression. The highest exponent of a polynomial in one variable and the highest power of the sum of the exponents of a polynomial in more than one variable is called the degree of the polynomial. For example, 5x square y square 8xy 4 minus 3 upon 10 x cube y squared z, and we have to find degree of this polynomial. So what is degree? The highest power. Okay, now first term 5x square y square and second term 8x y to power 4 and third term is minus 3 upon 10 x cube y square z. These are three terms of this algebraic expression. Now firstly we will find degree of these different terms, and degree of highest term will be degree of this polynomial. Degree of first term 5x square y square. Exponent of x is equals to 2 and exponent of y is equals to 2. So 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4. And degree of term 8x y to power 4. Degree of x is equals to 1 and y to the power 4. 1 plus 4, that is equals to 5. Since remember we have to find sum of the exponents of a polynomial. Now in the last term minus 3 upon 10 x cube y square z. Sum of their exponents 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 6. Since highest degree of different terms of this polynomial is 6. So degree of this polynomial is 6. Firstly we will find individual degree of terms of given algebraic expression, then highest degree will be degree of the polynomial. Like and unlike terms. Terms having same variables with same exponents are called like terms, otherwise unlike terms. For example, 5xy square minus 9xy square. In these two algebraic expressions or terms, these two terms are having same variables xy square with same exponent. Exponent of x is equals to 1, exponent of x is equals to 1, exponent of y is equals to 2 and exponent of y is equals to 2. Means terms having same variables with same exponents are called like terms. Otherwise 5xy square 6y square x, these are unlike terms because exponent of x here equals to 1 and here exponent of x is equals to 2. So exponents of variables are not same, so these are unlike terms. So what we read today? We read definition of algebraic expression, variables, constants, coefficient, terms of an algebraic expression, kinds of algebraic expression and degree of an algebraic expression. Students, now you can do your exercise 9.1 easily, and if you face any problem in this exercise you can contact me because exercise 9.1 is based on its basic.